What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So I picked this up on pre-order. I got it for $65 when I got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. They had a deal where I could pick this up for only $65, so I got it. 44 millimeters. This has a sapphire glass 480 by 480 AMOLED on the resolution. 420 5 milliamp hour battery. This runs Wear OS. Has 32 gigabytes of storage, and it's IP68 water and dust resistant. Gonna do things like track your heart rate, your steps, your sleep, all of your workouts and things like that. So here it is. I haven't had a Samsung watch in a while, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one. This has the sports band, and this is the green color. I think it comes in one other color. I can't remember what it is right now. And this is a 44. It comes in 40. I think 40 as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. See what all's in here. So let's see what this is. This is probably just a charging cable. There's something else in there. Probably look like just some filler in there. This is your charging cable. Let's see what we got here. So they trying to troll me on camera right here. All right, so here it is. So this is your regular cable here. I don't know if the old style work with these. I still have some of these laying around, but here's the watch, and the band is already connected. Wow. So this is a green. This is supposed to be green. My eyes, it looks gray for some reason. I didn't see any paperwork in here, unless I overlooked it. But there may be some paperwork. If I find it, I'll show you guys that. But here it is, 44 millimeter. It's supposed to be green. Like I said, it looks gray to me. Very soft watch here. Now this is an extra large. I think this is 20 millimeters or 22 millimeters on the band right here. I don't think you can buy any band. Here are the sensors on the back of it for tracking all your heart rate and things like that. I don't know if this one does oxygen too also, but here's the side of it. You got your two buttons there. You got a mic right there. Little orange accents on the band. This side you got blue. You don't have anything over here. Now this one doesn't have the rotating bezel. Here's the clasp right here. But the band feels actually pretty good, man. Now the watch, I don't know if it's supposed to be green or not, but it doesn't look green to me. Maybe just the band. I just ordered it, man. I don't know too much about the watch at all, but I'll come back and follow up on it. Let's see if it has any power. It's a nice size watch. Looks good. There it is. It's booting up right there. We're going to go ahead and get this thing connected to the S25 Ultra right now. After this does this initial thing here, we'll go ahead and get it paired up and check it out. But the watch is very thin, man. Very thin, no crown on the side of it. But I think you do still have the rotating bezel right there. So there it is. As you guys see, it's already connecting. I'm going to go ahead and connect. Allow watch to find contacts, and yep, then allow that. And you'll see a pop-up on your phone. Confirm. We're going to confirm the number. There it is. It's doing this thing here, guys. So this is how easy it is to connect your watches these days. Just very easy, man. It says it's downloading software. Your phone will use the Galaxy Watch 7 Manager, 164 megabytes to connect to your watch. And there it is right there. If it takes a long time, I'll just get past this real quick and let you guys see what it looks like after that. But so far, very easy, very quick. And while it's doing that, see if I see any paperwork in here, because I would think there's some paperwork. And here it is. So here's your quick start guide. It was on the other end trolling me, so get everything you need to know. So right here, that's your power and home button, the top button. The bottom button is your back button. And here it is. what all you get here. Should be pretty simple. I've had Galaxy watches before, and as you guys see, it is moving along pretty good. I'm going to stop the video and come back when it's done. Okay, guys, so we're back in. The watch is set up. Took a few minutes, not very long, but there's a little process and it's easy to follow, and you can make it through it. But this is the watch face out of the box. Definitely not a fan of it. You swipe down, you got your quick toggles here. Swipe back up. You also can see your battery percentage right there. Swipe this way if I had any notifications. And these are the different tiles, I think they're called. I'm not sure. Yeah, tiles. And you can rotate with the bezel right here, but it's not like the physical rotating bezel. And then here you are with the add tiles. So you got featured contacts, monthly, calendar, calculator. You know, you can add different tiles here, whatever you need to have there. And I think you can go into the Google Play Store and add other things as well. So those are all of your tiles. You got your back button right here. And like I said, the bezel works great. It's just not like having the physical button there rotated on your watch. So here's the app. You guys see it says Will's Watch. Monitor your heart health quickly and easily. Install Samsung's heart health monitor on your phone right now. I'll do that later. And you got your watch faces. So let's go ahead and check out some of these watch faces. So analog, active, analog minimal, analog modern, analog subdials. You guys can see. Got quite a few of them here. I see a few of them I like, but I'm definitely going to have to change the one that's on there because that's not it for me. And a lot of these, I like the informative ones like this. I'll go ahead and drop this one on there. And I think you can customize these to your liking as well. There it is on there. I'll probably change the blue face out. Well, here's one I like right here. Similar to what I always have on all of my watches. Gives you a lot of information there. So let's go back. You got your app setting, app stream, tiles and quick panels, watch settings. You got your modes, notifications, sound and vibrations. All of this stuff you can go in and set it up like you want. I'm going to use my phone with Mint Mobile. Find my device, tips and guides, and you got store. And that is pretty much it on the app and the watch, man. So I'll definitely do a follow-up on this watch in a few weeks, a week or so. I'm not sure when I'll get around to it. But I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. Let's go ahead and put it on my wrist. So here it is on my wrist. 44 millimeter, man. This is big. I have a 7¼ inch wrist. And this looks great. I like the way it looked, the size of it. I'll get a case or something so it doesn't get stretched up. Well, I may not have to worry about that too much. I'm getting ready to retire, so I don't have to worry about banging it around too much. But yeah, I like the way it looked, man. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Thought about getting the Ultra, I think it's called. But I just decided on this for the price. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.